Okay, guys, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a review of the new KFC the new KFC Gold Chicken from KFC. Let's go in for a close-up. Okay, there you go. There's your chicken. I'm sorry if this is a little out of focus. There you go. There you go. There's your chicken. And I'm going to review this today for you guys. And I'm going to tell you what I think. There's a little bit of kick to it. Just a little tiny bit. Just a little hint of spice to it. It's probably because of the honey mustard. I give this, I rate this a 10. That's right, this gets a 10, everybody. So go out to KFC and get yourself some of the new KFC Gold Chicken. It comes in tenders, it comes in a gold cup, or you can get it in a Chicken Little. And I like it. It's really, really good. I would highly recommend it. Y'all check it out. This gets a 10, everyone. Okay. See y'all. I'm gonna put another video up tonight. Review of Monday Night Raw. So look out for that. So I guess I'll see y'all a little later on.